Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for News. Today I will show you how to crop a picture in MS Word 2013. First, open MS Word document. Then go to the desktop and drag this picture, then drop in Word document. You can insert this picture another way. Go to insert, then click pictures from file, then go to destination folder, select picture and then insert. Then double click in picture, go to crop, and you can crop easily as you want. Click enter, picture is cropped. Again, select this object or picture and go to format and click crop icon. You can crop your picture to remove any unwanted areas. Check out the drop down for more options such as cropping to a specific shape or aspect ratio. So click this crop icon, then you can crop easily anywhere. Picture is already cropped. So thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.